Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the Roblox sound. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Roblox application and I'm going to go to the more option and select the settings and select the device preferences, and here you will be able to mute your Roblox sound so you can play in peace. Sometimes maybe we get annoyed by the sound or the audio from the game, and if you want to turn off the audio or the sound from the whole game, you just need to make the volume 0 or mute the sound right here. And after that, you will be able to play in peace without getting annoyed by the game sound. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn off the Roblox sound or audio from all the games. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!